I guess I'm using bluegill fishing with bread. Got a little thing of bread. I'm catching nice bluegills today. Big and nice color. I got my catfish rod set out there. I have a baby bluegill on there for big catfish. It's one nice bluegill. Need some bread. I am just using a little bit of bread. Ball it on there. And just sit it down with no weight. Oh, came off. But it usually does stay on pretty good. You know, if you ball it on there, really good. Like that. Wait for a big one to take it. Oh, they stole my bait again. Check out my other video on the giant catfish in small pond, it's called. You'll probably see it. It's under my channel. Big catfish in this pond. God, never have this problem. But it was a big catfish and it was fun to catch. I think I'll reel that up in a little bit, see if I got anything. I think they stole my bait. You know what? Let me switch to worm. I think I do a little better on bait, so I'm not losing bait constantly. Right, where are you? Where's one? Oh, there's a bigger one. Oh, there's a little piece of one. Subscribe if you're new, and follow my Instagram at RyanAmato1487. Oh, look at that already. Nice bluegill. Okay. He is off. Here's one. But no, never mind. Take that back. Not more line. There's a fish. Oh, he got off. And I got a whole row of seaweed. Gosh. I think I actually do got a fish on that. I don't know, I'll check on my catfish pool in a little bit. Oh, there's a fish. Small little guy. Still a fish though. Small guy. No, there was one. Here, let me see if there is by reeling this up a little bit. Let that sit there for a little bit. No, I don't believe there's one on there yet. Alright. I think this is about enough for today. So, well, I am snagged. Well, that sucks. So, like and subscribe if you're new, and see you later.